You go down, it blows the wind the other way. Somebody listening in there? Is anybody listening in there?
I like its little beady eyes. Yay!
Okay, so this is Palm Z.
It hit my finger.
Sorry. All right, ready?
I'm like, I couldn't get out of the way fast enough. Again.
It's like flying a paper airplane. It is. It is like flying a paper airplane. See, I told you you'd like this one.
Wow, it turns really good.
Did you see that?
Yeah, looks like a giant beetle.
Both of these are really good for the kids because they're really cheap and they kind of fly themselves, kinda.
And
This one actually works pretty good. You select left and right, it moves a little rudder. Now it's tail heavy, so it's always like stalling, so it's not gonna fly away, it's gonna just keep stalling, which keeps it slow. The battery's probably like this big. Oh.
What?
So I broke that tip, so I need to break this tip off to make it equal.
This is what you're supposed to do, huh?
Yeah.
Why are you eating your plain, babe?
Flies good, huh?
Yeah.
That's with a broken blade and a chewed off blade. You jerk. I'll land on your head. Stand still. Just close your eyes. Ow! My haircut. You want to fly that one? Oh, that one. Oh yeah, fly that one. Yes! Yes!
No!
Oh yes! Look at that!
No! And it flutters away.
And it didn't need the helicopter. It didn't even stop.
That was pretty awesome.
All right, give me a slow-mo of that one. Da, da, da.
Okay.
Here's the winner. Look, with one broken braid and one chewed up braid.
Braid.
Choppy, the helicopter of doom.
He's operating on 2 hours sleep right now.
All right, let's go to the repair shop. So we repaired it. Hot glue. We're at the Santa Anita Mall. Wow! Did you see that?
Yeah,
Did you see the wind just push it down?
Yes.
Go ahead. You gotta go on top of me. I'll go below you.
To be sucked into your blade. Don't break stuff. You're a little one. Ooh. Did it get hit?
It just downwashes him so hard. It's just, it goes this.
Yours break dancing.
I'm fine.
Oh, you got all tangled up.
Wow, your blade is inside your other blade. How did that happen?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe a helicopter.
Wow.
Oh, because the thing.
It like braided itself. Hold on, let me get some tape.
I want a refund.
I like to go into.
Alright, try it.
How's the
Try it.
blade?
Oh,
Turn it on, Nancy.
Sorry.
Try it already. Ooh.
You ready?
Ready.
Wow. That was right into the camera. It's like a locust after it hits your windshield. It's all. What are you doing? Just wants to throw it in the blades. Why don't you just throw a rock at it? Yeah, I gotcha. I heard a little nick. I heard a little pink. Looks like a little moth bug up there.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you hit my tape.
Mike won this round.
You hit my tape. You hit my tape.
What happened, Nancy?
Whoa. I almost got a haircut.
Yes.
Oh. Is it the same side or?
Oh, dude. I heard it just skip right across the top of my blades. All right, where's the tape? That one versus this one on the
Basically, like.
Oh, loitering. Oh, sure. Okay. Keep it level. Keep it level. No ups and downs, no loops yet. Okay.
Whoa!
Bring it down. Turn to the left.